When we talk about project style, this projectile motion, you have so the recipe is
So in projectile motion, you can use the three kinematic equation. Di ba meron kita final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration due to gravity in time. We have final velocity squared equals initial velocity squared plus 2a, then b. Or in some books, in science book, it's s, which is displacement or distance. Naintindihan? Then the last one is dy. Sum of y equals initial velocity t plus 1/2, then acceleration due to gravity, then t squared. And the x component of an x-axis, we have delta x equals initial velocity of the x-axis, then times time. Ako na ito yan, hindi pwede ka tuha y-axis. So, kung time na natin bibuild mo, time, how long a stone thrown in the air? Ano kakabito? Quadratic formula. Positive, negative p squared minus 4ac over 2a for time. This is for the time. Oh. Ano itong given? Okay, given. Mayroon kita given. Ang ating initial velocity is 85 meter per second. Or it can be 8.5 meter per second. Tapos ang ating height, which is the vertical component, which is the y-axis component, that is, kanina, equal to negative 100 meter. In-outro ko na. Kanina ito yan. Kaya imataas ay na lang. Now, paano mo masasabtan ng time elapse as a man thrown in the air the stone on how long the stone in the air before it goes on the ground? Ano gagawin? Okay. So you're going to use the quadratic function. This. The dy combined with the quadratic function. Ito na nga quadratic function. Okay, the dy which is the negative. Which is the negative 100 meter, then velocity initial. Okay, kukunin muna natin yung initial velocity ng y-axis. Sin theta of 30 degrees is equal to y-axis over hypotenuse. Ilan yung ating hypotenuse? If we are going to throw a stone. So, these are the stone. Then the height or the y-axis, this is negative 100 meter.
sir,
100 meter, you are going to put initial, you put a imaginary line. And then, you're going to determine how far the stone being thrown towards the man. As the man throw the stone towards from the cliff. Okay? You're going to measure on how long or how far a stone being thrown. Okay. Ilan yung hypotenuse natin? That is 8. Yung initial niya. 8.5 meter per second. 8.5 meter per second. 8.5 meter per second. Kung ano ang ginawa mo sa right, you have to also do at the left. Okay, since this is division, opposite of division, cancel na adiya. So, so y is equal to 8.5 times sine 30 degrees, that is 4.25 meter per second. So that is the velocity. So if you're going to look for the time, you copy the initial velocity of the y-axis. So that is 4.25 meter per second. Then time, wala tayong time, how we are looking for the time. Okay, the question is how long the stone in the air before it goes to the ground. Before it will be dropped on the ground. Okay, then last 1.5. Then acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second, then t squared. Okay, multiply this, it becomes 4.9 t squared. Laro. Okay. Punta muna tayo sa time. On how long? How long, man, does it throw the stone in the air? A. In a quadratic function plus negative t squared b squared minus 4ac over ta. Okay. Another b is another b, that is 4.25 meter per second. Another c, that is the distance or the displacement, which is the height. Okay, meter. Another a, that is 4.9 meter per second squared. Okay, ipa-plug na line niya. So, ipa-plug natin, i-plug natin, pirama. That is positive, negative, that is 4.25 meter per second equal square root, which is 4.25 meter per second. Then, that is 4. Then 4.9 meter per second squared. Then, the displacement, which is 100 meter. Okay, multiply by itself, that is 18.06. Plus, pirain nga tanan, that is 1,900. Pira nga tanan. 60 or 70? Ano nga tanan? 60. Then, copy over, that is 2 times 4.9, that is, for 2 times 4.9, that is 9.8. Then, copy, positive, negative, 4.25 meter per second. Okay. Tira, 44 point. I-square root, tira. 44.40. Tapos i-add natin. I-add ang 4.25. No, 4 na square root ha. I-square mo na. That is 4.25. I-add. It becomes 48. I think it's 48. It's 48. Point 60, 64, and divided by 9.8. That is the time elapsed where the stone is being escaped in air before it goes to the ground. Here ang answer. That is time elapsed. The time is time. 4.96 unit. Second. Okay. That is the last question. Okay, how long? Oh. Pag sinabing how long, or how far, that is distance. Ulit. Okay, punta tayo sa x-axis. Punta tayo sa y-axis. Y-axis. Punta tayo sa x-axis. Okay, may dalang-dalang. Ang time is 4.96 seconds. Ano tayo calculate? Another formula ng y-axis, that is delta x, or it can be that is equals to initial velocity of the y x is equal to velocity of the x-axis times time. Ano ito yan? Then, paano natin matutuwa Oray pa natin i-calculate natin velocity ng x-axis. So, makatutang formula. Anong formula? Sine or cosine? Okay, cosine theta 30 degrees is equal to x-axis coordination of the horizontal component divided by hypotenuse. Kaya natin ang hypotenuse. Initial velocity. 8.5 meter per second, 8.5 meter per second. So this is division in the right. Whatever you do in the right, you should also do it in the left. Okay, cancel natin. Cancel na.